this term learning loss. Tons of concern about learning loss. You know, you turn an industry upside down, and our students were thrust into an environment no one asked for. And so you can make a case for learning loss and see it as a negative. I get it. But when I think about you can make a case for leader loss. You know, like you can make a case for that. You know, we were able to get together in person as many times. I mean, I'm guessing professional development and all sorts of training were cut short or canceled. But loss is the last thing I think. The first thing that comes to mind is if you were able to lead during this crisis and you coming back, I look at you not as leader loss. I think of myself, I could hire these people to do anything because of the intangible things you had to do, because of the way you had to pivot, because of all the changes you've been through. You went through literal sheer chaos while still being open for business. When I think of that description, the last thing that comes to mind is loss. If you lost some training around PLCs or lost some training, you know, around soft skills and leadership competencies, I can get you coached up on that. I'll get you coached up on that. It's the other stuff that you've been through, that you've walked through, the hot coals that you've navigated while being you picture a bicycle wheel that spoke in the middle. I mean, you're serving community, you're serving the board, you're serving the district, you're serving students, you're serving parents. While doing all those things, and you came through that, my thinking is, what can't you do? And I just want to put that bug in your ear as you go into the summer and you think about kids coming back. Yes, they did not get to cover as much curriculum as last year, but they too went through what you went through. So I choose to look at principals, school leaders who've gone through and have navigated this pandemic as having superpowers.